everyone, what is up? Welcome back to another video. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. I upload now on Wednesdays and Saturdays every week, so join the family. I also have a giveaway going on right now on my channel when I get to 500, so I'll link that video above so you can check that out and enter. Now in today's video, I'm showing you guys, I am for the first time trying this Gershion Polygel. I don't know why I've never tried it before, but I never have. So I got this kit from Amazon and I'm just showing you here everything that it comes with. This one comes with those dual forms that I hate so much and paper forms, which I prefer. And it comes with a file, the brush, and the tool, which I'll show you, and then top coat, base coat, and then the 7 colors. So I'm just like I said, just showing you guys everything that came in the kit. And the only thing this kit did not come with is a slip solution, but I always use alcohol anyway, so for me that's not a big deal, because I think the alcohol works better. But yeah, oops, it went flying. It was a bit hard to get out with my nails on, but I think that was just why. So there's the base coat. And then you also have the top coat, like I said. And those 7 colors. So in this video, what I did was I just put a dollop of the color on a paper towel, just kind of so you could see all the colors. And then I actually do a little design. I did a negative space design. I used the dark pink and the clear. And I actually have to say, I think the clear polygel in here is pretty clear. I mean, it's not the clearest. I think McCart is the clearest. But this one's still pretty clear. I mean, it's pretty good. So, I mean, I would recommend it. I like the way it, you know, when I was doing the nail, it's nice and soft. It didn't get too sticky. It does tend to get sticky sometimes when you use too much alcohol or slip solution. But you just have to kind of figure out that balance. And but yeah, I think it actually worked pretty good. I like the way it moved and applied, and it worked great. So I'd recommend Gershion. I like their polygel. I might have to look for some more of their polygels. But yeah, like I said, I got this one from Amazon, and I don't remember how much it was. I can't remember. If I remember it, I'll put it down in the description below. But yeah, these are 30 ml containers, so they're a little bit bigger than some of the other kits. A lot of the other kits come with the 15 ml tubes is what I want to say. But yeah, so anyway, I'll just let you guys watch me do these little swatches here, and then I cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I come back and do the design. So I will let you guys continue watching. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you. Don't forget to go enter the giveaway. And also follow me on Instagram at Mello'Z_Nailz. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.